Hello, and today we do 5 minutes mobility routine for women over 40. I'm a menopausal coach and a yoga teacher since 2010, and we will use some sweet mobility movement from yoga that are accessible for a woman over 40, 50 and 60 in the morning when we may feel stiff and we need to start moving in the right way. Follow me. So we start with walking on our blood circulation. I'm flexing my feet and my wrists all together, making about 10-15 moves like this to wake up my blood circulation and to get rid of swelling feelings, swollen legs. So now we make these circles with the feet and palms in one direction about 10 times, and then change direction. And if you have any problem with swollen leg, this movement is very useful. Now I'm starting to bend my legs softly, opening the knees. We don't have to do any movement at 100%. So I'm bending the knees just as much as I feel comfortable. Exhale and bending. Inhale, straighten. This is kind of dynamic baby posture. Also here about 10 times. And now we're going with the easiest variation of a dead back, where you need to coordinate well your movements, your legs, your arms, and your breathing. Inhale and exhale. Try to keep your lower back always flat. And breathe. This movement is also very useful for a delicate workout for a pelvic floor. Try to make about 10 times each side. Shake your legs, shake your arms with nice energy, and we can stand up and go on. Here we start with the easiest and very soft forward fold. I'm not actually trying to go deep, but I want to warm up my hips with the spine always straight and my knees slightly bent. So this is how it looks from the side. So my spine is always straight, my knees are bent, and from here I'm making this kind of circle forward fold, one direction and then the other. And from here we go a little bit deeper, adding some kind of squat. We are squatting at roughly 50%, so we go a little bit deeper every time, trying to open the knees, keep my spine straight. Make about 10 squats, very gentle. We are just warming up, we are working on our mobility. And now some balance movements. So from here I'm lifting my leg twice and then I'm bringing it back in diagonal, about 45 degrees. And you can do this movement completely without touching the floor with the working leg. If you can, if you feel stable, or you can hold on to something, or you can touch the floor in the middle of the movement just to help yourself to keep balance. Anyway, try to be stable, try to keep your core stable and strong, and try to keep your pelvis in line with the floor as well. Exhale, exhale. Here we are working our abdomen muscles, and here we are feeling our glutes even more. So I'm bringing my leg back and feeling my glutes. And now just some sweet movements for our shoulders. Cross your arms, breathe, and go as deep as you feel comfortable. Also here, cross your fingers or just open your chest. Inhale and feel this nice stretch. Inhale, hands up, open the chest, open your armpits. Inhale. And now we cross our fingers behind the head and we make this movement while exhaling. Exhale and twist. Exhale. Feel your core strong. Feel your armpits in a gentle stretch. Open your chest. It's a very nice movement. I like it so much for the morning mobility. And now from here we make one forward fold. Very gentle. Bend your knees. Walk this way. You can stretch your hips as well. You can go deeper if you like. This is your mobility routine. Nice and easy and so effective.